On Sunday, Hurricane Sandy started her visit to the East Coast. Sandy was predicted to be 3 times larger than Hurricane Irene was a year ago. At first, students at Cabrini College took to the weather of Hurricane Sandy and enjoyed it. However, later that same night, Hurricane Sandy started to show her true power. The storm finally ended on Tuesday, and the local community took some damage. Although the local community was hit hard, it falls short in comparison to the devastation that Hurricane Sandy delivered to the East Coast.
When you see neighbors helping neighbors, then you're reminded about what America's all about. We go through tough times, but we bounce back. And the reason we bounce back is because we look out for one another.